everybody, today we are testing the strength of each interceptor. So first, we are trying actually the straight Yagi. First, we're using my custom interceptors I built myself, aka the interceptor team. So you say so like I. Yes, okay. And by the way, this was 170 miles. I mean 175 miles per hour. It survives. Yeah, that's one. That's one. Like that. Okay, it only survives that miles per hour. It doesn't survive. It's only 175 miles per hour. For sometimes. This thing is pretty strong, by the way. And it can fly 200. No, that's 200. This can fly 100 miles per hour. Like, can you see this guy? So it's a yeti being. It's here to surviving it. It can also survive 120, 270. Same for 270. But sometimes the spikes just try to hang on for dear life sometimes. And it can survive 170 miles per hour but only for a while. The spike sometimes hangs on for dear life. And it's now attacking from above. And when it's above, and it can't survive a tornado, and it doesn't need rocks, and it doesn't need rocks to survive. 125. But if it's this tornado forming right on top of it, it happens. You know what happens? Sometimes. Next, we got Interceptor 1. Oh, I forgot. Okay, strike 0. We got Interceptor 1. You have to activate the spikes. This is the first interceptor. It's really small. And you can see we got a mesonet view like right here. I've got to check it on the area 100 source. Hold on. Okay. I just disconnected my Wi-Fi. I'm just trying to make a phone for doing that. I'm usually trying to make a phone for doing that. But can you guys make a phone out of that? So you've seen my I was there break that. Anyways, I'll show you the Methernet speed when I try Interceptor 2 on 125. Okay, as you can see, this is the wind speed. Don't even know that fast. But let's see the. Okay, when it attacks from above, it just like it survives. It survives. Nearly tornadoes like upside down. Just happen to that. We sandbox and then survives. And by the way, I'm just hanging for dear yeah for now. And survive when I just broke the emergency lamp. By the way, guys, I'll tell you, I to interceptor two spikes. So it's epic. Anyway, so use try interceptor two versus. By the way, you can see this interceptor is heavily armored. Like we got two spikes. I placed I placed the main spike right there. So I couldn't think about how to make it again I use how to make it like yeah. Anyways, the Mesonet works. It's also Aquan my file with the